Modern life has given us plenty of ways for us to live well with our loved ones. But modern life also comes with its own set of problems. From air pollution to bad eating habits, they all have the potential to keep us from being healthy. With this in mind, Indonesians today strive to maintain their health, one of which is by drinking a minimum of 2 liters of water every day. They have chosen a drinking water that is refreshing, trustworthy and affordable. They choose VIT. With its 4 vital elements, VIT is ready to become an important player in Indonesia. First introduced in 1982, VIT was a product of PT Varia Industri Trita. In 1987, PT Varia Industri Trita was acquired by PT Golden Mississippi. When the majority of Golden Mississippi's shares were acquired by Danone in 2001, VIT was subsumed by the French company. VIT has already become the 3rd biggest player in Indonesia and continues to grow steadily year by year. We are committed to maintain VIT's quality. This commitment starts when we choose our water source. Each of our water sources have been processed through physical, chemical and microbiological tests to ensure that they meet our strict standard of quality. This commitment towards quality continues during production. The bottling process in all of our factories is done using state-of-the-art technology and strict quality control. Every drop of our water goes through the process of filtration and ozonization. Specially controlled filtration eliminates filth in the water, while ozonization eradicates pathogenic bacteria, thus making VIT safe to consume. Thanks to this commitment towards quality, VIT has been bestowed with the ISO, SNI, Halal and HACCP certifications. VIT comes in 240 milliliter cups, 600 milliliter and 1500 milliliter bottles and 19 liter gallons to meet your needs at all occasions. To ensure VIT's availability, we are continually strengthening our distribution network. Today, VIT is armed with a total of 11 factories. These factories are supported by a strong distribution network, including home delivery outlets called Visa or VIT Siap Antar. We also work hand in hand with our distributors to ensure on-time delivery across all channels, ensuring that VIT is always available to our consumer. Thanks to its long history and commitment toward quality and distribution, VIT has managed to gain positive feedback from both consumer and retailers.
VIT itu buat saya itu merek yang paling bagus.
Penjualan VIT sekarang bagus karena kualitasnya udah bagus dan pelanggan udah banyak yang mengenalnya.
Enakan ikut Visa, ada nama juga gitu kan.
Mulai jualan VIT tahun 1995. Pengen coba-coba dulu, laku gak gitu. Ternyata ya emang betul, bagian laku.
Ya mutunya bagus ya, airnya juga enak.
Saya nyetok VIT sangat puas.
Saya dari dulu kalau untuk air minum selalu pilih VIT. Soalnya kualitasnya bagus, harganya terjangkau, dan gampang didapat.
Jobless sedotannya lebih gampang, kualitasnya juga pasti terjamin.
VIT, during its 30 years of history, has become synonymous of top quality water thanks to its rigor, adopting the most advanced controls, and thanks to our highly qualified experts all over Indonesia. People see more and more VIT as a smart choice because it's safe, it's light, it's good, and because it's VIT. Each person in VIT is aware about this, and that's why we are totally dedicated on delivering this to our consumers every day, in every format and everywhere.
A long history in Indonesia, strong quality control and distribution network, good impression from retailers and consumers. With these 4 vital elements at hand, VIT is determined to become an important player in the Indonesian bottled water industry. To become a vital player with a promising future. Now is the time for you to become part of that future.